What happens if you violate intensive supervision probation? Have you ever wondered what really happens when someone violates intensive supervision probation? This topic is crucial for understanding the balance between rehabilitation and accountability in the criminal justice system. Intensive supervision probation, often referred to as ISP, is a specialized form of probation meant for individuals who need more oversight than traditional probation provides. It is typically assigned to higher-risk offenders and involves strict monitoring through unannounced home visits and curfews. When someone is placed on ISP, they receive specific terms that they must follow. These terms are clearly outlined at the start of their probation period. They may include regular check-ins with a probation officer, attending rehabilitation programs, and avoiding illegal activities or substances. If an individual fails to meet these requirements, they can face serious consequences. There are several types of violations that can occur. For instance, missing appointments with a probation officer, failing to report as required, or engaging in prohibited behavior can all lead to a violation. The repercussions of such violations can be quite severe. One of the most serious outcomes is probation revocation. If this occurs, the individual may have to serve their original jail or prison sentence that was initially suspended. This can be a shocking turn of events for many, as they may have believed they were on a path to rehabilitation. Additionally, individuals could face extra time in custody beyond their original sentence. This means that not only do they have to serve the time they were initially given, but they may also receive additional penalties for their violations. In some cases, instead of a complete revocation, the probation may be escalated to a more formal status. This means that the individual will have to adhere to even stricter supervision terms, making it harder for them to regain their freedom. Another consequence of violating ISP can be increased fines and fees. These financial penalties can add up quickly, making it even more challenging for individuals trying to turn their lives around. For non-citizens, there are additional risks. Violating ISP can lead to travel restrictions and potential immigration consequences, which can complicate their situation further. Understanding what happens when someone violates intensive supervision probation is vital for both offenders and those working in law enforcement. ISP aims to reduce repeat offenses by providing a structured environment that encourages rehabilitation. However, violations reveal the difficulties in balancing rehabilitation with the need for accountability. If someone finds themselves accused of violating ISP, it is essential to know their legal rights. They have the opportunity to contest the allegations at a hearing before any penalties are enforced. Legal professionals can help challenge the claims, present evidence, and negotiate to maintain probation or fight for its reinstatement if it has been revoked. Knowing the terms of ISP and having a solid legal defense can significantly influence the outcome of a violation case.